After what felt like an endless night, both Pico and Benjamin awoke feeling quite the opposite of well-rested. They left the House of Horrors, which was actually quite pleasant during the daytime. On foot, they spent the morning heading across town to a local train station. In order to stay out of trouble, their plan was to get as far away from the Ferrists as possible.
Where's the damn train?
Calm down. It'll be here soon, I'm sure.
It better come quick. We've already been set back enough.
Yeah, I know.
Penny! I haven't seen you in weeks.
Hey, Grace. What are you doing here?
Oh, just out and about. Hey, what would be fun? A duet, just like old times.
I'm sorry, I have to catch a train.
I promise it'll be quick. You know how I feel about promises.
Okay.
Son of a...
3, 2, 1, go!
We have missed the train like 3 times.
Anyway, you handled that first song like a champ, Benny. You were always the better singer. Your parents and I have been worried sick about you. When are you gonna come back? You are coming back, right?
I'm not, Grace. I'm sorry.
Oh, come on, Benny. Enough of the jokes and silly talk. Maybe this will change your mind.
3, 2, 1, go!
I really should be going now.
Benny, tell me something. Why are you so interested in this
Criminal?
Can we please not do this right now?
It was supposed to be the two of us since the beginning. You promised. Our parents promised. Mommy and Daddy told me that's the way things are supposed to be.
Grace, is that really what you want?
What? Of course! We were born to be together! That's our destiny!
Grace, that's not...
Why? Why are you running away from that? From me?
I'm not. Don't you see how messed up this is? You were born to live your own life, not just for an arranged marriage.
No, that's... You're wrong! Mommy and Daddy wouldn't lie to me!
Grace, listen.
No! You listen! We're supposed to get married. That's what's best for the both of us. So, please, just come home.
3, 2, 1, go!
This wasn't how it was meant to go.
I'm sorry, Grace. That life that they made for us doesn't exist.
It's not fair! How could I thought... What did I do? Did I do something wrong?
God, of course not. You're my best friend, Grace. That hasn't changed. It's just, I want to live my own life, not what they created for us. I can't help who I love.
Neither can I.
A white limo came to a screeching halt before them.
Ben? Not to interrupt or anything, but we've got a problem.
Get freaky on the phone.
While in the middle of a stressful conversation, our two boys are swept up from the streets, faster than light. Startled, they glance in all directions, yet they only find the wind in their hair, cars flashing by, and an unwelcome yet beautiful face. Mother Marist.
Hi, Mom.
There's my sweet little baby. Your father and I have been oh so worried about you.
I'm okay. I swear.
Oh, darling, you know how Mama worries. You've had your fun, but I think it's about time to come home, don't you?
Mom, no.
Could you repeat that? I'm not sure I heard you right.
I said no.
But honey, I need a yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Sweetheart, you see how ridiculous all this is, don't you?
What do you mean?
Well, it's obvious. My perfect little boy has had his mind tainted by that pest, filling your head with all kinds of shady thoughts.
You fucking whore. All I've ever done is care for him. That's more than you, or that monster you call a husband, has ever done.
Pico! Quiet!
How dare you accuse my family of such things? We love you so much, Benjamin. Why don't you just come with me and...
I'm not going with you.
Fine. Be that way.
3, 2, 1, go!
Enough! I have tried and tried and tried to make you see what a mistake you were making. But clearly, you're too stupid to see that.
Stop.
You better drop this act and learn to respect your mother this instant! You know what happens when you disobey.
Okay, I've had enough of this. Softy.
Silence, vermin! You can't decide things for him.
She's right.
What?
I have to decide for myself. And I've decided that I'm going to live the life that I want to live.
You've always been such an utter disappointment of a son.
3, 2, 1, go!
gonna make you regret ever thinking you had a choice in all of this.
Ben,
Huh?
jump.
Babe, I love you, but are you fucking insane? We're on a moving car!
You gotta trust me.
Do
you trust me?
Yes?
Then on the count of 3, close your eyes and jump. 1,
Wait a minute.
2,
Isn't there like a plan B or something we should try?
3.
Get freaky on a Friday night.